Oh, well, I found this video on YouTube saying that it's impossible to sneeze with your eyes open. And I got tissue here and I'm going to try it. Because I believe I can sneeze without closing my eyes. Yeah. Let me see. I'll try it right now. I opened my eyes. I did it. I got my cousin here. He wants to try it too. Let me see.
I don't know how to sneeze it.
How do you do it?
Wait, switch sides because there's some like thing. Alright, I want to see.
Clean your nose?
Yeah.
It's not working.
Just move it around. Just go like this. Move it around. Try to get like, I don't know. I just did it.
Because it's stuck in my nose.
Here, let me try. I think you're supposed to do it this way.
You fucking have that in your nose. You're fucking. Let me try it. It hurts.
Keep going. Try. Keep trying. Go. You have to make it skinny, I think. Are you tearing at least? If you're tearing, I think that's when it's coming. Keep trying, go. Man, you suck. Go, just move it around.
It's touching my brain. My nose itch.
In a second now.
It's not working.
Here, let me try it. I think you're not doing it right. Move, Amber. Let me see. Let me see. Maybe you're supposed to like wiggle it a little bit, you know.
It's not working. My nose.
Oh, never mind. He can't do it, so I guess that's his try. Well, as you can see, I did it, so I did it, so that's cool.